I'm in South Mountain State Park on, what is today, the 10th, 9th of November? 9th? I don't know. I'm with Sarah, who is Nikki's cousin. I've not been up here in a long time, and there's been some forest fires. You can see some burned trees. There was a big forest fire here. Maybe it's 3 summers ago, I'm trying to remember. But we're just maybe halfway up the trail going toward Chestnut Knob, it's called. Kind of a big bluff up here, and so it's been probably 6 or 7 years since I've been up here. And just wanted to show Sarah how pretty the forests are here. This trail is more kind of famous for just beautiful forests than anything else. The waterfalls are back that direction. We might do that on the way out. Cool, so enjoy this little excursion with us. Wow, that's unreal. Huh. Look at that. That is beautiful. So peaceful out here. I'm just stopping every 50 feet or so and just getting some really pretty deep forest. This is, to me, some of the prettiest just forest land in North Carolina. It's probably upper 30s as far as temperature right now, maybe headed toward 40. We're supposed to have a high 50 today. We're still kind of headed northeast. This is a cool tree here. It looks like it caught on fire on the inside during the fire. Didn't damage it though. Looks like it's still living good. All right, we'll continue on. I'm gonna stop and make a comment here. I was told Sarah, plus I'm resting. But so I live on top of a nice little mountain. It's very peaceful there, but you can kind of always hear an airplane going over or cars down on I-40 a couple miles away. And now, ironically, I hear an aircraft going over. But I don't know of any place quieter than this. I'm gonna hush and hold my breath for a minute so you can just hear how nice it is. I don't know of any place, where you got this kind of peace, and it's because it is the largest state park in North Carolina, almost 21,000 acres. You get out in the middle of it and there's just nothing. It's just really what nature sounds like. Plus a jet going over the top. I just dropped my stick. I'll go get it in a minute. Crazy. Still on the way to Chestnut Knob. Here's some squirrels or something fussing. The sky's cleared up, it's nice and blue now. Still no signal. I was hoping you wouldn't be bored, but I know you and your dad, you did these dramatic, big mountaintop kind of hikes. Yeah. And I like those too. But the first time I hiked this in the fall, I said, okay, now this I really like because the trail's pretty nice and the views are pretty just about everywhere you look. And the foliage is really nice. Good mix of colorful hardwoods.
I have found that if I'm going to do, 2 mile, 3 mile hike,
yeah,
there's got to be views associated.
Yeah. Like, okay, when we went to Hawksbill, you're on a narrow trail with bushes on both sides of you, and you don't have depth like this.
No.
I mean, y'all, you got bushes, and once in a while it'll open up, and you go out and you look out of a little hole. But this, it's like everything's just really opened up. It's rain to watch my big fat self not fall on a rock. I'm very glad you said bring the stick. Well, there's one of those pines. Bit the dust, didn't it?
Or you think that fell?
Yeah, it must have. It looks like it's being cut, but for what reason? And where did it fall from? Where's the stump? I don't know. Crazy. No explanation for where it is. It doesn't look burnt though. So we've climbed to the very top and we're actually going down to the Chestnut Knob Trail. Sarah's up there ahead of me. When you get out here to the rocks, there's they call it overlook, but it's just a rock outcropping. Get a beautiful view of the valley. Trees really are pretty today. What a view of the valley though. Yeah, I've been out there on all that too. But this is the end of it. Yeah, you don't go any farther than this. Wow. Of course, up there. I've probably been up there too. I guess you can climb, I don't know if the other trail, of course I don't know if it's worth doing that or not. I'm just gonna sit on a rock for a minute and chill. Go ahead, you go ahead, girl. Hey, over there, oh, that's the fire tower. I thought it was a, but you should be able to get some sail up here. Over there's the, I guess that's the fire tower. Look at those buzzards circling. Sarah's climbing out to the rock outcrop, and you can see there's some folks out there on the rock. Here's the view. I'm standing beside an old dead tree. There's a stink bug up on the trail. Oh, these folks are loud. The ultimate bane of the English language is the word like. Unless you actually like something, I wouldn't use it. Poor old Sarah walks 20 steps and stops because the old man.
So is that how high the car got?
Oh, I don't know. All I can tell you, and I guess that's what this is from. All I know is what we saw in the house. I got video of it. I'll show you. It looked like 4 or 5 miles of ridge were on fire. And Nikki can tell you it was massive. I do have video. I probably got it on my YouTube channel somewhere. But other than that, you know, 1 or 2 ice storms a year, that can cause problems. But they use.
Find that you're stuck up there? The road
Yeah. And when I say yeah, for maybe one day.
Okay.
Well, I've like last year I stayed probably two days out of work, but I have a computer right where I can log in and actually be on, just using my same PC I would be on my desk. I just remotely access it, so it didn't matter. I still worked. I don't know how these are going to turn out. I'm just doing some sideways views. I figure I might as well run the battery out on this thing.